Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Tea. Today I'm bringing you guys vegan lumpia with sweet and sour sauce and some Achara pickles. Lumpia is one of my childhood favorites to eat. My Lola used to make it for my family all the time. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys the vegan way to make it. This is gonna be a 3-step process. We're gonna do the veggies first, then we're gonna be making the sweet and sour chili sauce, and then after that, we're making the Achara, which is the Filipino pickle. Our vegetables we have here are carrots, an onion, a baby leek, bean sprouts, a sweet potato, some long beans. If you guys can't find any long beans, no worries, you can use green beans. I have some nappa cabbage and some garlic. I'm gonna start by cutting the cabbage, or cabbage. I'm gonna take the baby leek and I'm going to just slice it into rounds like this. I'm gonna slice my onion. Now I'm gonna take the green beans, slice them at a bias like this. Now we're going to take the carrot and our sweet potato and we're gonna cut them down just a little bit smaller so that they fit into our food processor. All right, now I'm taking these over to the food processor. Shredding it just like that. Same with the carrots. Now I'm gonna take all my mise en place vegetables over to my cooking area because we're gonna be cooking the vegetables for the lumpia. I'm going to heat my pan, a little bit of grapeseed oil, carrots, and sweet potato mix. I'm gonna take a little bit of salt, season that, a little bit of pepper. So as you can see, the sweet potatoes and carrots, they have shrunk and I'm cooking most of the moisture out. And now, heating this back up again, adding some more oil, add some onions, the leeks, green beans, garlic, no time to waste. We're trying to eat some lumpia. Salt, pepper, gotta make sure you season your food, all right? So now I'm gonna add the nappa cabbage. Lastly, our mung beans. Transferring our veggies over to a sheet tray with all of our other sweet potatoes, because that way we don't have to add the hot veggies into our lumpia wrapper. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start with our sweet chili sauce. We have a red bell pepper, Fresno chili, some Thai chili, garlic. We have cornstarch and water. We have vinegar, banana ketchup, love this, some sugar. That's it. Once again, we're gonna be using our food processor for this. It's gonna cut this red bell pepper down. Take the stem off of our Fresno chili. Thai chilies, I'm gonna keep them whole because they're really small, obviously. I'm just gonna remove the stem. So as far as our garlic, gonna wanna peel this though. Smash that down. We're gonna start off by making the slurry for our chili sauce. So we're gonna take some cornstarch, go into the bowl here. We're gonna add it with some water. And that is how we make slurry. Yay! So easy, gotta love slurry. So this pretty much is what makes our sauce nice and thick. So now all of our cut vegetables, our garlic, our peppers, our Thai chilies, and our Fresnos, we're gonna go over to the food processor and we're gonna blend them up with a little bit of water. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender. It smells spicy in here. I am going to pop them into a little sauce pot. Then I am going to add some vinegar and sugar into this mixture. No flavors left behind. Awesome sweet chili sauce has been bubbling. Now I'm going to add our slurry. The slurry is in here now. It's nice and thick. It tastes really, really good. But I'm gonna spruce it up and add a little bit of my favorite condiment, banana ketchup. Gonna add a little bit more sweetness to it because you can imagine all that heat from those chilies. Now we're gonna be making a Chara, which is a Filipino pickle. For my Chara, I'm gonna be using green mangoes, watermelon radishes, a red onion, and for my pickling liquid, I have rice wine vinegar and water ready to go in my Pyrex. I'm gonna add some bay leaves, star anise, coriander, and peppercorns. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut some habanero. Now I am going to cut the ginger down. These are gonna go straight into our pickling liquid mixture. Now I'm going to cut our red onion, take our watermelon radish, cut it in half, wedge. We're gonna take our green mangoes. I'm gonna take my little paring knife here, and I am going to cut down the top so that it stands straight so that we're not wobbling all over the place. And then I'm going to peel down like this. So I'm going to add our pickling liquid with all of our aromatics into a pot. As I said 1,000 times before, I'm probably sick of it. Salt, season, season, season. Everything is gonna go into a bowl. Mix them. Rustic. Look at that. Nothing looks the same in here. That's fine though. We're going to add the pickling liquid. And now I'm gonna go ahead and give that another mix. Let's wrap it up, literally, with the wraps. Lumpia wrappers usually come like this. You wanna make sure when you're peeling them back that you're very gentle with them. Grab some like this. I'm gonna start by tucking it this way. folding it over like this, just like this. Rolly, rolly. Add some water to seal the deal, just like that. A little bit of water to seal the deal. Rolly, rolly, rolly. After I'm done rolling them, I can freeze them, and then whenever I'm craving a lumpia or a snack, I can just go ahead and fry them. Now that our lumpias are all rolled up and ready to go, our awesome pickles are pickled. I went ahead and I heated up some fryer oil. Now that it's really hot, I'm gonna go ahead and start to fry our vegan lumpia. Depending on the size of your pan, I would only do about 3 or 4 at a time because you don't want to overcrowd and get that hot oil everywhere because that'd be really dangerous and you don't want to burn yourself. All right, love bugs. So the lumpias are rolled, ready, and fried. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut them at a bias. Steaming and it's bomb.com. So firstly, I'm gonna go ahead and try it with the childhood favorite sweet and chili sauce. This is really good. Now I'm gonna try this with the pickles. A little ASMR in there, the pickle and the lumpia together. This is so good. You guys have to try this. All right, the vegan lumpia is to die for. The sweet and sour chili sauce with the pickles and that sweet potato, the cabbage, all that umami bomb flavor in my mouth right now. So good. Please like and subscribe. The recipe is gonna be down below. Peace, love, and blessings.